Alright, to add material at once, you can just simply tick this box in the top left corner there, then right click anywhere and say edit. Then you can pick the material, thickness, grade of this teeth, and you can also change the quantity. And of course they all change, and I said that. Also, basically resets the material. What you can also do is we can say arm these three, click, and make them say aluminium, 5 each. Okay, now it's hard to mark them, right? So you can say here filter, show unassigned. Okay, so it only shows those, so you can just go pick. Now I can assign stainless steel. Apply it. And again I can do show unassigned. Grill edge covered, I think. So there's only one home assigned, so I can go show all or show unassigned. Should be one there. Now I can show by, I can show by aluminium. Okay, so you can just double check it, or you can show standard steel, make sure that is correct, or we could show all in a solid manner, so it shows you alphabetical but different thicknesses and so on. And that's just a quick for filtering it.